The last time I was here, I had to stand in a long line to get in, so. So we're just gonna go poke around and see what's new for spring. It definitely is springtime because I'm having crazy allergies, so it'll be good to just be inside for a couple of hours out of the pollen. All right, let's go inside. And of course, when you first get here, you are reminded that IKEA has every little storage problem under control. I'll tell you what, if I had the opportunity to remodel an entire home, I may just be tempted to do it with all of the IKEA storage possibilities. Here's their kitchen. From what I've heard, IKEA has fabulous kitchen units, very durable, easy to work with. They mix and match very nicely. And I'm really here just today to have some fun, poke around, see what all they have. Now, I think this is very clever. It's beautiful. And yet, they are practical. You could hang or not hang as needed. Really quite clever. Putting together an Airbnb. This looks like the total hotel room. It's quite nice. Definitely would help you put together an entire ensuite. I say there is nothing like a good utility cart. I actually have my Instant Pot on one of these carts, this particular one here in my kitchen, and I think it's the handiest thing. You just roll it over to the plug, use it, and then you roll it out of sight when you're complete, and you cannot beat the price. How pretty are these? Any color. Even if you were just doing a cute little Easter or spring table, $4 for the package. How can you resist? It's glass. Oh, it's also pretty. Who doesn't love a good serving tray? And that's a fun way to dress up a whole presentation very inexpensively, or just a fun placemat on the table. And goodness, they have a lot of those. And then we're coming into an area that I think is one of the most inexpensive ways to decorate your table, and that is by color matching your napkins. I tell you, this place is overwhelming. Every time I go around the corner, I see something else that I think I need. There's a lot of really practical items in the store, and you know, you come in thinking, oh, I only am going to pick up maybe one or two things, and a couple hours later, I have a bag full of things. So now this is one of my favorite parts of the store because I do like good lighting. I actually have a few things in my bathroom that recharge using a USB. So this is a brilliant way to just plug one item in and have the others just onto this charging port. And really, not a bad price. It also should be noted that IKEA no longer provides a shopping bag while you're here, but they will sell you one of these blue ones. So here we go. Let's see what the damage is. Not too crowded in here today. Well, since it's a nice spring day, and so far I'm not sneezing too badly, I thought we would just sit out on the patio and I would show you what I got at IKEA this time. And I have to say, I really was controlling myself. Oh, are you here to inspect the hall? After I came out here, I realized that it's a little noisy between the airplanes and the fountain bubbling and all of that. But anyway, so just to wrap up today's IKEA trip, I thought I would show you what I wound up with. So we'll look at that later. One of the things that I think is one of the best buys at IKEA are their colorful napkins. And they're a couple bucks a package. And if you're looking to add some fun to your spring table, then what better way to do it with some colorful napkins? They're really quality napkins. They really are quite nice. And so I got a couple of colors for my springtime table. Got that, and as you know, I had to get this color. Had to. I got those. A couple bucks. On my way out, as I was standing in line, I saw these and I thought they would be a fun little addition to whatever Easter display I wind up doing, whether it's over by the coffee station. This is not for you. Are you deciding whether it's worthy? Okay, so these are mini banana caramel bulbs, and they are made with sugar, but no high fructose corn syrup. And they look like little Easter eggs. They're very cute. So we'll see. I might do a little Easter display with those. Something else that I love are their storage bags. And so I stocked up on the storage bags. They have 3 different sizes that I really like. For my guest bathroom, I needed a new clear shower curtain, and their shower curtains tend to be a little heavier duty, so got one of those. I have a pillow from the holidays that I was going to put away, and then I thought, wait a minute, this pillow has a zipper on it. So instead of just putting the whole pillow away, I took the pillow out of the cover, put the Christmas cover away with the Christmas, and so I had the stuffings, and I thought, well, maybe I'll find something that would go nicely, and so sure enough I did. So got a pillow cover, getting the plug for the USB because I have several things in my bathroom, facial cleaners, my toothbrush, things like that take a USB plug. So I got that, and then at that area I saw another one that I thought might work even better. So I just wound up getting them both. One was I think this one was about $6, and it's very similar. It plugs into the wall and then everything comes out the side. So that's very handy. And then finally, something for my husband, whose favorite flavor of all things is rhubarb. So where else are you going to find rhubarb drink concentrate? And so I thought a little splash of this mixed in with some seltzer water might be a fun treat for him. So I always carry this little bag with me because, as I said, they're no longer providing the IKEA shopping bags. And so if you want one, you have to buy one. One other thing, I did get this pillow, and this actually goes inside a cat bed. But I have a small stool that is about this shape that I need to put a pad on. And so I think what I'm going to try and do is sew, a little project for me, is to sew a couple of straps so that it doesn't slide off. And for really a couple of bucks, I have the perfect little pad for the stool. So that is my IKEA haul. So thanks for joining me today. It was just a fun little quick trip to IKEA, really to get out of the allergies. They were doing some construction here. It was loud and noisy. And so it's always kind of fun just to stroll through that place. And you can get lost and not even remember which way you came in the door. And I think they like it that way too. Sort of like a Las Vegas casino. So for those of you who are unable to get out to IKEA right now, I hope that you enjoyed this tour of the IKEA in Southern California. So I will see you next time. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so. We'd love to have you. And I put out a new video every Thursday. See you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.